few homes underwater. But the unfortunate thing is that parents, find it. What do you call? I'm looking for the right word. Parents can seem to, yes, perhaps negligible. I see kids, standing with their parents in flooded houses, and even when we tell them to come, they don't. So I'm not sure. To me, it's acting really irresponsibly. So you need to know what time to go, and don't forsake the life of your family, because you just don't want to react to anything, So it's actually quite scary, really. Yeah.
And how have you gotten? Have you consulted the police to?
Oh, you mean in terms of what we're going to do? I think the Navy is still coming. I'm glad the water is receding, so. But we'll have people still to be here on standby in case we need to evacuate them. We've only got a few more hours of daylight.